If you've been wondering how to disable the Camtasia add-in in PowerPoint, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This is useful if you no longer need the Camtasia integration, want to troubleshoot PowerPoint performance, or just want to keep your add-ins cleaner and easier to manage. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and click File in the top left corner. From the menu, choose Options. This will open the PowerPoint settings window where you can control many features and add-in options. On the left side, click Add-ins. Here you'll see a list of different add-ins connected to PowerPoint. Now look at the bottom of the window and find the Manage drop-down menu. Make sure it says COM add-ins because that's where the Camtasia add-in is stored. Once it's selected, click Go. A new window will appear showing the COM add-ins currently available in PowerPoint. In this list, look for the Camtasia add-in. When you find it, uncheck the box next to it to disable it. This stops PowerPoint from loading the Camtasia add-in the next time you open the program. After that, click OK to save the change. Once you close the window, the add-in will be disabled. That means Camtasia will no longer appear as an active add-in inside PowerPoint until you re-enable it later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Camtasia add-in in PowerPoint. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy how-to guides, and I'll see you in the next video.